everybody. How are you doing? Today we are going to do something very different. We are going to actually create a song. The song you heard in the beginning, I'm going to show you how to create it. So, let's get going. We start by going to loudly.com. So what you do is you come here and type loudly.com at the top of your browser, and the front page of your Loudly, which is here in Discover. Okay, so it tells you that you can generate music with AI, you can use text to music generation, and there's even royalty-free music templates. Now, if I wanted to upgrade, I'm going to show you the difference here between the free version and the paid version. There's two types of paid versions. So for me here, look, we have you can pay annually or you can pay per month. So it changes. If you're paying annually, the personal will be $8, the pro will be $24 per month. If you pay monthly, the personal will be $10 per month and the pro is $30 per month. What's the difference between them? With the free version, I can only create 25 songs per month. And a maximum song length is 30 seconds. And I have only one download per month. And the standard quality is MP3, and only the basic license is for only one social media channel. Now, if I'm creating videos and media for my own channels, then I paid $10. I pay $10 per month, and everything is that you have in the free plan. Plus, you can create 300 songs per month. And the maximum length is 3.5 minutes. And I have 300 downloads per month. So there's a big difference there. And then finally, the Pro, it's $30 per month. And you have everything that you have in the personal plan, plus 1,000 song creations per month, a maximum song length of 7 minutes, and 500 downloads per month. So you can see there's a substantial difference. And in the personal license, it's for social media, live stream, podcasts, right? And the pro license is for paid advertising, client works, apps, and websites. So that's the whole idea. Now, when you go to Discover, to the Discover tab, this is where we started, it can tell you generate music with AI. And you can click on that and it brings you here. Now, here you can decide how you want. The song that you just heard was an epic score, low pace score, and it was called Tranquil Rhythm Melodies. Okay, so I selected this, and look at the choices I have: ambient, cinematic, drum and bass, EDM, hip hop, and so on. Okay, now my choices were, and so I have the subgenre could be action, tension score, epic fantasy, low pace score. And what I got was what you just heard, right? Now the second one, soothing beat serenade, is another option. Quite nice. And then the third one, gentle pulse ballad. Very nice as well, right? Now, notice that here on the left-hand side, I could add things like, the duration, which really we can't control. It's got to be 30 seconds anyways, because mine is free. But here you could select the instruments that you want, and you make your decision, and it will make a difference, right? Which, depending what it is you have. We also have the genre blend, and you can select what it is you want to blend with. And then energy, original, low or high. The structure is interesting. So it's how it's going to be going up, right? And then down a little, and then up again, and then very down. This is the first one. The other one is starts high and then goes down, or starts in the middle, goes up a bit, and then goes really low, or a crescendo, keep on going all the way to the top and then down below. So that's your structure. You have the tempo as well. The tempo here, it shows up at the very top here, and you can increase or decrease your tempo. And then finally the key, what key you want this song to be in, right? And if you are, so here you go. And you can select. So this one is in A, but you could select C, whatever it is, minor or major. And then all you would have to do is click on generate. Another one is text to music. Text to music is you write a prompt, and because you would like a soundtrack for something, right? In this case, it's running along Venice Beach during the sunset. Okay, so I could create something like flying eagle over the city. And then I click on generate. And there you go. So here you would have your songs. Okay, so it could be Reign of the Queens. Another one would be Rise of the Glory. Let's check it out. And the third one, Heroes of the Light. And finally, browse. We can click on browse here on the top right, and you can even apply filters to find what you need. You can select the mood, and you can select what it is that you want to find, or you can select a genre and you select what it is, vocals, with vocals or just instrumental. And if you select with vocals, there it is. It will give you some songs there. You can also select instruments, right? What it is you want. Key, A minor, B minor, C major, and so on. Energy, pretty much what we just did in the previous one. But here is something that already is in their catalog, right? So it's like a template for you to use, and the era, you select what it is. Okay, and like since it's with vocals, I'm just gonna look at, I don't know, Best Day. you have a lot of options here. And of course, if it's in a free, it can only download once, one song per month, right? And then you can create your own library of tracks that you liked. In my case, I just downloaded the Tranquil Rhythm, and that's why it's in my library. Okay, you can create projects as well. I don't have any created project yet, and releases if you have released anything. Okay, and then you're going to, if you have any earnings, it will display right here. And there you have it, creating a song. We've done so much in this channel, it's not even funny, right? So if you like this video, leave a like. If you have any comments for me about how you like this video, or even better, any suggestions about anything you would like me to talk about, I am here to listen to you. And if you have any hint of the fact that you did it, how it went, how your experiments are with AI, let me know. I would love to hear from you. And if you wouldn't mind, please subscribe to this channel. I have a video for you every week. It was super nice showing you this last one, and I hope to see you soon. Until then, bye.